In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted Confluence page. Accidental deletions happen, and the good news is that Confluence gives you a built-in way to bring pages back as long as they're still in the spaces trash. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few pointers to make sure everything lands back where you expect. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the space where the page originally lived. This part is important because trash is managed at the space level, not globally. If you're not sure which space it was in, check your recent spaces or use search to locate the right one. Once you're in the correct space, keep your eye on the sidebar where the page tree and space options typically appear. Next, open space settings or the page management options for that space. Depending on your Confluence version and permissions, this might appear as space settings, space tools, or a small gear icon in the lower left. You don't need to change anything here. You're just heading to the area where deleted content is stored. Inside space settings, look for trash or deleted pages. The exact wording can vary, but you're looking for the section that lists pages removed from that space. When you open it, you'll see a list of items with details like the title, who deleted them, and when. Find the page you want to bring back. If there are many entries, use the available filters or scan by title and date to make sure you've got the right one. Keep in mind that some spaces have retention rules, so very old deletions might no longer be available. When you've located the correct page, click Restore next to it. Confluence may prompt you to confirm the action. Go ahead and confirm. In most cases, the page will return to its original location in the page tree. If the original parent page was also deleted or moved, Confluence may place the page at the space's top level, and you can reposition it later if needed. If there's a title conflict, you might be asked to rename the page during restore. After restoring, head back to the page tree to verify the result. Expand the relevant sections and refresh the view if needed. Open the page to confirm the content looks right. If you don't see it immediately, try expanding collapsed branches or reloading the space. Sometimes the tree needs a moment to update, and that's it. You've successfully restored a deleted Confluence page. If you run into permission issues, check with a space admin, since access to trash can be restricted. Otherwise, you're all set to continue working with your recovered content.